Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use American Express at Costco. When it comes to using American Express at Costco, here's what you need to know. In stores, American Express is not accepted directly. However, you can still buy Costco shop cards online with your Amex, and then use those cards in store just like prepaid gift cards. On Costco.com, American Express is accepted along with Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and most debit cards, which also covers services like Costco Travel. For in store payments, your options include Visa credit cards, PIN based debit or ATM cards, Costco shop cards, cash, personal or business checks, EBT, and mobile wallets like Apple Pay, Google Play, and Samsung Play, provided they're linked to Visa. This way, you can still take advantage of your American Express card while shopping at Costco. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.